just have a
Guys,
point.
Katie back here. I've been doing a lot of controversy videos lately. I'm actually gonna start doing some normal videos again. I'll just get back some check. Still on my man. And my dad just bought 2 things for me for months.
Yeah, but that could have been questioned when it wasn't sold at the next auction.
But he always didn't do it at the auctions. He always had to
So
pick
I'm
it out.
this little zip in there. I've never had one, but like I can unzip it. I'm just gonna unzip the one.
He wasn't dumb.
Okay, so
I don't know how
this
his
is my
computer
phone.
worked, or he didn't know he couldn't see.
Well, I
My
can,
friend
let
had
me
tons of
read
things,
for it.
but
Let me
I've never
restate.
had it.
When
So this
he
is my
had
first
the
one, so I'm
surgery after Mom died,
I'm gonna
he said it
try
helped.
to do it.
But then he had that accident
He wasn't executing.
because he was too busy chasing after Judy
He burned.
to be listening to the spirit. I really do not think God's the one that told him he needed to go to Florida. Sorry, I
Now
just
where's he
don't.
stuck at now? When we went to buy the house, we should have said,
Nope.
no.
We look at one of the other ones again, it's not going to be this
We
one.
should have said we wouldn't buy any other house, period. We just said where we was at.
If he'd have bought one of, well,
The first one.
if he'd have bought the first one, at least that way, if something should happen to him, it may have been affordable enough we could have actually done something with it. Maybe.
They had that last couple of days, that Jackson Oxford back in the back of the house. No, that was hot. They were back there losing their breath back there.
Well, maybe it's a restaurant.
Yeah, but then there's nothing around back there. All that was back there, there was no frogs to cook soup in there. You know, that store, like they said, that store, they had it set, they went there and checked the thermostat, set on 70. And it was on heat. They had it on freaking heat.
Really?
And that pit, everybody heard that. Oh, you should have seen some people back there raising cane.
Yeah.
They was back there fixing the fit. Why, who the hell would put the heat on during the middle of the summer?
Okay.
You got them cold nature managers.
Yeah.
Even the lobby out there where the guests at, they was complaining about how hot it was.
It's usually the other way around.
Going to Huddle House. Going to Huddle House and Waffle House.
I know.
I better keep those on feet.
I have you trust on me. I would put you on the road, but I'm just gonna be sons and
Then in the summer you don't go in that place, and they
find a location, and I'll be talking louder at my house. Sorry, so quiet.
then the rest of our house playing here over. I bet you we go. Your dad's dropping stuff in the floor again. We should make that with a broom. Get behind.
We need to find the dustpan.
I am.
Excuse me?
It's this piece.
He's too late to get this pen. But he afraid it might stick to his fingers. Your dad got doing some good job doing. The house across for sale when we first saw him. It was in his price range too. But he said so. I fall.
She took him to the ones that were in his price range.
No, that was in his price range.
Well, I didn't know
As
that.
Casey said, that's in your price range there too, Mr. Holly. I might fall.
Yeah, look at this house. This piece of
Gorgeous.
POS.
So we gotta work on this thing, huh? What do you do about in some shape?
Okay, you guys. So we're going to my house. Angel. Angel.
What's wrong, baby?
Come here. Look.
What?
Oh, to you too.
What's wrong?
What? You excited?
What's the matter, girl? What is it? What is it, baby girl?
Okay. She went upstairs.
He's back in the bedroom sleeping again. You don't need that to see you have to put on makeup.
Oh, I'm not. I'm recording.
Recording, so putting on makeup.
No, it's not makeup. It's nail polish and no. He doesn't understand the concept of YouTube videos. Calm down, Angel. Just as I figured, guys, it's just ones that's meant to go over. The blue and the green are already on my nose. Okay, so enough of the bullcrap. We're not gonna do any more nail polish right now. You're probably thinking, this video is boring. Especially since we couldn't even hear Kayla in the first half of the video because she was in a van. Well, for those of you smart alees, sorry, I don't record my personal birthday parties and business and what-ups, but you probably know the sound. Can you figure it out? What am I doing that's making this sound? Can y'all tell me in the comments down below what I'm doing that is making this sound? You have 5 seconds because I'm about to reveal it anyway. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna reveal what I'm doing. Oh yeah, it's hoverboard time. Okay, you saw nothing. Nice and smooth. And guys, I may record tomorrow because we're going to Jacksonville. Boom. Just me and my mom. So I'll have her phone so I can delete the video. I don't have that many subscribers, but it's fun. It's fun. Oh, this is making my dress look so pretty.